Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have pork belly. We are going to cut this pork belly thinly, and I am going to barbecue it like on a sticks, but using air fryer. Yes, this is my first time doing barbecue pork sticks using air fryer, and I already washed the pork belly, and these are the ingredients that I'm going to put on our pork belly, and we are going to marinate this guys for overnight. But if you don't have time overnight, it's okay also. So just make sure that to marinate it about an hour to get all the ingredients soak to your pork. And I have sugar. This is about a tablespoon, and chicken powder, ketchup, any kind of ketchup. I wish I have banana ketchup because I like the banana ketchup for marinating better than tomato, but I do not have, so I'm using the tomato ketchup. And hoisin sauce. If you don't have hoisin sauce, you can use, oh, did you hear that thunder? It is raining heavy outside. So hoisin sauce. And if you don't have hoisin sauce, oyster sauce is okay, but if you don't have both, that's fine also. You can use brown sugar instead of the white sugar. And then garlic powder and onion powder, salt and pepper, and soy sauce. Any kind of soy sauce is okay. And I have avocado oil. You can use olive oil as well if you don't have avocado oil. So now I'm going to cut the pork belly. Cut it like this size. And now we're going to make some marinade for our pork, and the way how I do it is I will put all the ingredients or the seasonings here so I can taste it, because if you already add your seasoning to the pork, you cannot taste it if it is salty or if it is needed more salt. Soy sauce, that's probably about 5 tablespoons. And olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. And ketchup, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 5 tablespoons. And our sugar and our chicken powder. If you don't have chicken powder, that's fine too. And I don't measure this one, I just calculate it. Your hoisin sauce, 1, 2, 3, about 3 tablespoons. The salt, you need to make sure that you don't put a lot, because the soy sauce, the hoisin sauce, and the chicken powder is salty already. The ground pepper, you can put a lot, because barbecue is really good when it's a little spicy. You guys know that I don't really eat spicy food, but because there's sugar on this, and this is just black pepper, I cannot handle the chili pepper kind of spice. Garlic powder, a lot of garlic powder. I want to be garlicky. And onion powder. We'll mix all this together. Again guys, I'm going to marinate this overnight. If you don't have all that time, you can do an hour or 30 minutes. But I like it overnight, so you can really taste the marinade. Just mix well, and if you can feel the salt is dissolved already, you can taste it. The saltiness is good, but the sweetness, I think I need to put a little bit more sugar. Because for this kind of barbecue, I want a little sweet and spicy. I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar. So actually guys, it's up to you how sweet or how not sweet you want it. Not sweet. See, that's why it's good to mix it like this so you can taste it. Because if you mix it with the pork already, you cannot taste it because you don't want raw pork in your mouth. Then we'll add our pork. So when I wash the pork, guys, I pat it dry so your sauce won't be watery. And make sure all the pork pieces are coated properly. And I have bamboo sticks that I'm going to use to put this on our bamboo sticks, and then we are going to air fry it. I'm just gonna cover it and put inside the fridge overnight, guys. See you tomorrow. Looks good already, huh? Hi guys, it is the next day. I marinate my pork belly overnight, and I took it out from the fridge 20 minutes ago, so it's not so cold when we cook it. So now I'm going to put it in the skewer, and I cut the skewer according to the length of our air fryer. And so now I am going to put probably like five pieces each. And our air fryer, I'm going to spray it with a little bit of olive oil so our barbecue would not stick to the pan. And then I'm just gonna get napkin to spread it. And I'm just going to put it this way. Then we're going to put 350, 20 minutes. So guys, I still have 4 minutes, but I wanted to check just to be sure. Ooh, nice. I think it's ready to flip it on the other side. That looks so good and it smells so good. I'm going to check it. Oh, I think it's done. I think it is done, guys. I am just going to cook the second batch. And here it is, guys. Our finished product, barbecue pork belly using our air fryer. It looks so delicious and it smells delicious. It is perfect. Look at that, guys. So yummy. I cannot wait to try it. Look at that. It looks so good. Let's try one piece. It's so tender. Oh my, it's so good. It almost tastes like tocino. I'm gonna eat it with pineapple. Our dish for tonight. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.